Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. It is 10:54 a.m. on September 24th, 2025. So what do we got going on? We're going to start with the euro dollar right now. Had the resistance at 118.32. Market made it up to 118.20. It's fallen off. Now, the main support right now for euro dollar, short-term main support is 117, like right there, 21. That's the short-term support. It's really sitting at 25, but give it a little bit of skid. If that breaks, we're on our way down to the next trend reaction number of 116.30. Remember I told you that by closing below the 117.53-ish, that actually would, the only way it would really negate it is if we got above like 118, like 60, like right up in this top right here, right in this area right here, 118.58. It hasn't been able to do it right now, so it's still showing a little bit of weakness. It's not over yet. The first level that has to break is this 117.21 to actually show, okay, we're drifting down lower towards the next major level at 116.30. Hasn't happened yet, but I had a short on for my group at 117.73. Took some back at 117.51. Took some back at 117. What did I get them back at? Hang on, let me look. What did I do here? 117.34. 117.35. Because the support at like 117.20, 25, like there. So stop loss right now is at 1 hour profit. All right, let's move on over to good old dollar yen. I hope that you watched yesterday's video because it was a little bit really prophetic. Remember, if you saw yesterday's video, what I said was, as long as 117, 117, 147.30 holds, and we get above 147.87, market was in an upward trend, especially if it broke this previous top at 148.38. I said it should go to like 90. So far, we've been up to 77. Not too bad. But the call was absolutely spot on. Don't believe me? Go back and watch yesterday's video on dollar yen. I lay out the case completely. Um, my error was I got involved with the euro dollar. I should have bought dollar yen as well. I did not. Because it was like kind of closely correlated, but really it's not correlated enough not to be able to take that trade. I should have taken it. But anyway, so dollar yen right now. Dollar yen support short term sits at 148.25. So 148.25 is the level that it has to hold. Put it right there in order to show upward movement. Right now, resistance is at 140. Let's get it together right here. Look at that. Resistance is at 149.10. Right there. Okay, so that's your resistance level dollar yen right now. 149.10. Now, if it gets through 149.10, it's actually opening up a path towards like 150, but it's not going to be direct, and there'll be some to and fro. But right now, if you're a dollar yen bull and you're long, and you got long at like 147 something, you got to watch the 148.25. All right, let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. Okay, here's this one is just another one that, like I said, the dog with fleas. Sterling dollar. We said that it was offered and was coming off again yesterday's video. If you didn't see it, go check it out. Right now as it stands, the support is at 134. Hang on, let me get the support for this. Where's my sheets? Where's my volatility sheets? 134.25. 134. It's actually 23, but let's put it down there. 134. Right there, close enough. That's the support for it right now. In order to show any type of strength today, it's got to get over 135 the figure. 135 even right there. Got to get over them. If it doesn't, it's actually going to be tracking through these points. Got to watch sterling dollar. I mean, euro dollar. If euro dollar does break that 20, it's probably going to drag sterling dollar down with it. So right now, the main support in sterling dollar sits at 133.85. 133.85. Let's put it right there. Let's go. Okay, Klein, that's close enough. There's your main support right now. Let's look at good old sterling yen. Okay. Sterling yen breaking upward because dollar yen is breaking upward. All right, so we made it down to what? 199.14. Originally, the low was what? 198.75-ish, something like that. 198.95, sorry. 210. Uh, there's resistance at 230 right now. 230 is the resistance. Right now, as it stands, it's got to hold like 198, 198, where is it? 40, 48, something like that. 198. Let's go right there. It's got to hold 198.47. If it can get through this 231, the next level that it's shooting for is 274. 200 or 280. So support point right now for this whole thing is 199.47. We're just breaking up through 200. There's resistance at 229. That may hold the first shot, pull back down a little bit. So if you're a sterling yen bull, you're going to want to buy a pullback with your stop below 199, say 50, 47. All right, let's look at good old euro yen. Wow. This one, yesterday I was wrong. I was really looking for euro yen to come off. I thought that I was actually like checking it out, saying, wow, I could probably get a sale in on this thing. It didn't go anywhere near my sale level right now. So as it stands right now, euro yen support is like 174, like 05. I'm going to put it right here, 174.09, close enough. That's the daily support for it right now. Resistance is 175, the fig. So we're kind of tracking up to it. You know, it's got another 40 points to go. I'd say there's your resistance point. It should have some problems up here. It could retrace a little bit. If you want to buy it, make sure you keep your eye on dollar yen. Dollar yen, if that's still bid and euro dollar still holding kind of tough, you know, buy a retrace. Put a fib retrace on it. Look to get it at a decent fib retrace. Put your stop below the next fib retrace. All right, so that's what I got going on for you guys in all the different currencies and crosses. If you like what you see, give a like and subscribe. Don't forget, in the description, get yourself a free ebook and video series on price breakouts. Really cool. And I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, always as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.